Last time, we established the possibility of the triune brain structure being common among extraterrestrial life forms in our universe. Under this model, the human brain consists of three overlapping brain structures. The reptilian brain is the earliest of these plug-in brains, followed by the limbic brain, and finally the neocortex, which dominates most of the human brain. But what if alien life forms on other worlds evolved so that the reptilian brain dominated the brains instead of the neocortex, as is the case with us humans? What would their mentality and behavior be like? Today, we will explore the possibility of alien life forms in the universe that have acquired what we would call reptilian intelligence. So let's dive right in and explore the mentality of aliens dominated by the reptilian complex. According to McLean, the reptilian brain is known to play a major role in determining aggressive behavior, territoriality, ritualism, and the establishment of social hierarchies. This dull neurosystem, with its slavish dependence on programmed, hardwired behaviors, may be responsible for a great deal of human ritualistic and hierarchical behavioral patterns. For example, our political institutions and bureaucracies, our fertility dances, and our unparalleled aggressiveness and competitiveness are all seen as a result of our still functioning reptilian brain under the triune brain model. So the reptilian mind is not characterized by powerful passions and wrenching contradictions, but rather by dutiful and stolid acquiescence to whatever behavior its genes and brains dictate. It has been suggested that one prerequisite for neocortical development on Earth is a stable internal body temperature, meaning homeothermy or warm-bloodedness. This hypothesis is somewhat reasonable since both limbic and neocortical systems appeared only after the rise of the warm-blooded mammals. So it is not unreasonable to assume that on a world where homeothermy was never invented, the reptilian complex might eventually come to dominate the brain of sentient extraterrestrials. So given enough time and a slower introduction to homeothermy, higher alien reptilian intellect is within the realm of possibilities. On other worlds, sentient creatures in whom the reptilian brain dominated the others may have learned to hunt collectively, preventing the rapid growth of mammals dominating the food chain. The psychology of such creatures would be a fascinating blend of ritual and distinctive species-specific responses. Also, their strong aggressiveness and unyielding devotion to duty would make them quite fearsome warriors. For them, ritualistic battles with one another would be regarded as a common practice. For example, the right to mate with a partner of choice or simply earning a share of land or other desirable items would perhaps require some kind of ritualistic battle before it can be awarded. Apart from this, these aliens may also have ritualistic games where they hunt other species simply because of their extreme sense of competitiveness. Hunting bigger and better species may perhaps bring prosperity in their life and even increase their ranking within their social groups. Furthermore, because of their extremely territorial behavior, invading each other's territory would almost always result in a battle to the death. Due to this, the social hierarchy of such creatures may completely revolve around strength, power, and aggressiveness. As a result, the strongest and most aggressive among them would have the highest of positions in their social organizations. Perhaps their focus on developing and strengthening their army would be among the highest of priorities for these types of creatures. For this reason, they may have some of the best soldiers among any other alien race with a different tripartite neurosystem. And that brings us to the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also, comment down below if you think these types of aliens can be a real possibility within our universe. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.